Welcome. Let's begin by taking a full breath, breathing in through our nose, letting your belly expand, and exhale. Take another deep, full breath. And exhale. On your next inhale, let your ribs expand. Feel your oxygen flooding to the back of your body. And as you exhale, let everything go. Let's just take our worries, our stresses, our thoughts, our fears, and we're going to put it on a shelf. So visualize a shelf that's in your room somewhere, and just take all of those things that are weighing on your soul or that are taking you away from this moment now. Just pick them up and put them on the shelf. Not saying that they're not important or they aren't things that you maybe need to attend to. It's just right here, right now, we're going to let them go. This time we're going to spend together is nurturing ourself, our soul, in the present moment, here and now. So find yourself in a comfortable seated position. And we have this beautiful ocean and nature video, so you can keep your eyes open and gently just gaze upon the waves and the background, the trees and the leaves, and feel the peace of that, of being there. Feel the peace of the ocean and nature. Take a deep breath and exhale again. And throughout this video, just let your breath be easy and fluid. So no specific breath practice, but just easy and fluid, like the tide. Feel the energy in your body, energy in your heart, energy in your solar plexus, the energy that is flooding through your head, neck, shoulders, back, hips, legs, feet, arms, and fingers. Experience your own energy. Your very existence is grace. This moment now, here, is the only time there is. Here and now, There is no past other than in our mind, in our memory. There is no future other than in our mind and in our projections. Right now, here and now, there's a beautiful, loving light that is surrounding the outside of your body, your head, your back, your chest, your hips and legs, and it's holding you and embracing you. The universe is holding you and embracing you, and you are supported. And inside your heart, there is a glowing, stunning source of light that moves from your heart, floods your body, and expands through your skin into the space around you. And charges the energy around your physical body with love and light. So you have an energy that's moving outward from your heart, expanding outward, eternally unfolding and expanding. And then you have this beautiful support from the universe flooding inward, in through the outside, the back of your body, the crown of your head, in through Mother Earth, coming up through your feet. And the energy comes in and rests in your heart. And that energy is eternally interwoven, like a figure eight. It's going out eternally and infinitely, and coming back in eternally and infinitely in this beautiful dance and flow. And as you spend this time here, know that this time you spend with your soul, nurturing your soul, letting go of distractions, letting go of worry, discovering the peace within you. This is the most important time you can spend, and it's the most important thing you can do. Discovering the peace within you takes you out of a state of reaction to what is, which is exhausting for your physical body. It's exhausting for your health, and it blocks your soul from expressing its potential. So when you spend time now feeling the flow of peace within you, bring yourself into presence. You bring yourself out of a state of reaction, out of an outward state, reaching or pulling at the outside world, into a state that's centered within your being. Feeling the grace of your life, allowing the magical miracles to occur in your life that come from fullness that come from wholeness, that come from completeness. And in this moment now, there is nothing lacking. Take another deep breath. If you ever feel yourself not at ease, or you find yourself in fear, if you return to your stillness, which is actually so vibrant and full, but if you take your time to come into your being and to let the outside world that pulls at you, let it go and spend time feeling the fullness of just what is now here and present. You'll notice that the stillness, the silence, the wholeness of what is now will gently assist to guide your life. So whatever is needing, whatever you think you need in your life, this beautiful, vibrant stillness will guide you. It will also allow your soul's potential to expand and for you to allow your soul's potential to blossom. When we get out of the frequency of our mind, battling with life, figuring it out constantly, when we let ourselves let that go and connect with the energy of here and now, the energy that is supporting you and the energy that is moving out from your heart, life is able to gently open up what you need and to guide you. And you're able to give from this space. You're able to give from your wholeness and fullness, rather than giving out of an idea. You're overflowing with the vibrant love that is. I invite you to come here often, whenever you need it. And your mind may tell you that something else is more important, but you can discover for yourself what happens when you're constantly figuring things out and trying to solve them from a problem state, from a reaction state, or what happens when you nurture the wholeness of yourself through silence, through meditation, even through creativity, in a quiet state that comes from within. What happens to your life? And see what happens. I'd love to know what you discover. Thank you for spending this time with me. And from my heart to yours, the light that you are, is the light that I am and is the light that is.